Yun. Good day to you guys. Another journey, another Toyota story by Mr. Cap. Okay. Recall ng mga high-end units ng Toyota.
What?
Meron. Pero, hindi naman sa recall. So, it's a special service campaign. Yan, hindi sa
Nice.
recall. So, yeah, yung Toyota Motor Philippines nag-announce. So, there will be a recall or tawag mo is a special service campaign. So, it's about updating your ECU for parking assist sa mga high-end unit natin. So, natin to worry naman. Kasi ang Toyota naman Motor Philippines, we are improving quality life. No? Priority natin is safety para sa mga drivers and passengers. So, ano po yun? LC300, Prado, Alphard, Camry, ano po ba? RAV4, yan sila. So, pero means mga specific production date lang. So, mamaya magpo-post ako dito, paki-check na lang, QR code. You can scan the QR code and check your unit po, no? Kasama kayo sa production date na needed po na i-update ang inyong parking assist. Yan. So, ano lang naman, update na ng ECU nyo. So, nothing to worry. So, again, LC300, mga units na high-end, Camry, Alphard, Prado, RAV4, meron kami available. See you guys in the next one.